Watching for a dip on PHVS. No fill there at 53. It's really unfortunate that the AMAM wouldn't let us trade it. We tried buying the break of 25. Look at that. Up to 35. Tried buying the dip at 11 there. No fill. There we go. All the way down to 70. Gonna cut it. That looks like it's gonna be halting down. Wow. An $8 loss on 20 shares. That's insane. Okay, so AMAM works now. Just bought one share. Just was testing it with one share. Let's see, when are these gonna resume? So all of a sudden I look away for 2 seconds and it pops up 20 cents. I wonder if that's how today's gonna go. BXRX getting halted. Let's go ahead and put that on a side chart. Watching resumption on SMMT. Resumption in 20 seconds on SMMT. Looking for a break of 4. 450 is the high of day. High of yesterday. 3, 2, 1. Flat resumption. And at 80 there on a dip. Out flat. It's going lower. 76. And at 79. Watch back over 80. Watch this back over 80. Green at 79. Watch 80. There's 82. I can't wait. Took it off at 80. Big seller there at 85. Watching resumption on the AMAM in 30 seconds. Ten seconds to resumption. It's a good resumption. It's instantly halting back up. It got filled at the very end. Resumption on BRXX. Um, let's see, 7 seconds. flat resumption. Alright, I'll wait till the resumption on AMAM. I have to use the restroom. I'll be back. Alright, I am back. Let's see here. Okay, resumption here in 30 seconds on AMAM. We got in at the very high of this candle, so we need to get out pretty much right away. The fact that it's already 6:50, we've only taken like 3 trades. It's because everything's been halted. We've been missing the halts too. It's very unfortunate. 12 seconds to resumption. Hand is on the flatten key. A 10-minute resumption would be good for us. So if it does be a 10-minute resumption, then cut it at 70. Now watching for a dip and rip. Okay, watching back over 70. Or 73. 75, it's kind of missing the... Let's see if it can get back over 70. It's halting down now. At 51. Okay, so it's halted down. We were able to take some profit out of it, 13 bucks. It's okay. UPH. Resumption here on UPH. No, it's not a good resumption. Yeah, that halted down now. MRIN over 44 possibly. Bit lower volume, but it's a good pattern for a push to VWAP. And they're at 43, watching break of 44. For that move to VWAP at 48. There's 45. Can we get through those sellers at 45? There we go. There's 46, 47. Sellers at 47. There's 48. Can we get some 49? Can we get 49 here? Taking some off at 47 and 46. Watching 48 and 49. Taking some off at 49. I'll look to add over 50. There's 50 for a moment. Watching to see if we can actually break through 50. Looking for an add here. Adding for the break of 50. Got added at 48.50. Got filled some at 49. Filled some at 48. Gonna go ahead and cut the rest at 47. So if this can get back over 50, it looks good to break out towards 150, 155, 160. Let's see other ones that are looking decent. SMMT. It's getting back over VWAP. High of 73 there. Low of 66. Still watching that break of 150 on MRIN. In there for the break. 150. In at 49. Watching the bid size, 48. There's 50 on the ask. $50 on the ask. Looks like it's breaking. Sold at 51. Got a late ad at 51.50, so I lost some on the ad. There's 60, jeez. And at 55, there's a seller at 56. I have to worry about that. Out at 57. Watching now break a 60. Okay. Watching for 58, 59, 60. There's 58. Sellers at 59. Okay. Big buyers at 55. 37,000 shares. AMA had a pretty strong resumption after that sell-off. So if we'll watch it. At 60 here, watching break at 65, 66. Out at 60. Didn't like the pop and drop. If it gets up to 65 again, though, we'll add. 6 seconds left in the candle. Getting in here for the break of 65. Watching 65, 67, there's 70. Watching break of 75, high a day. Holding for this little break. Oh, there's the halt level at 72. Taking a little bit into the halt. A little bit off into the halt. Added back as well. Okay, so we're in the halt, 100 shares. CLRO for a break of 40. And at 39. Cutting it flat. Watching break a high day in at 42. Watching break a 43 here. CLRO. Watching break a 43, looking at those sellers. Are we gonna get the break? 42, 43 on the ask. No, it's not breaking. Took the $1 loss. Halt resumption on AMAM in about a minute and a half. And at 43, watching break a high a day, CLRO. 44. Out at 44, got my dollar back. There's big sellers at 45, so I wasn't gonna hold for 45. Didn't think it would break. Looks like I'm right about that. Watching a dip here on MRN. Out pretty break even. Go ahead and switch back to AMAM. Resumption in 15 seconds. Three seconds. Out there at 87. Looks like it's halting up at 96. And get filled before the halt. So we're up 40 on the day. This is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth halt. It's the fifth halt. Watching break at 45 on CLRO. There's 46. Can we get 47, 48? Took it off at 46. Green on the ticker now. And at 40. Small win there. Watch this below 40. And we'll watch AM out after the resumption. However, this is the fifth halt in a row. Fourth halt up. There's been one halt down so far. So two halts in a row up. This is the third. Uh, I'm not sure um, if it would be safe to buy it up here. Depends on how much it gaps. If it gaps like it did here, but it gapped there too. And then it pushed up and then came down. We'll just feel it out. We'll feel it out. This is a good mover though. I was expecting there to be some volume today because of yesterday after I got off everything started moving. But you know, I had to get off because I was emotionally compromised. It wouldn't matter if stuff was moving, I'd go red on it. With big size too. So the most important thing was protecting me from myself. Yesterday. Oh, and yesterday, the trade that I got stuck in, um, TD Ameritrade, gave me a cash rebate on that money. So I got my $5 back. Turns out it was a delayed open on the New York Stock Exchange on that one specific ticker, which is strange, but next time I know just to use, if that happens where market orders aren't going through, I'll just switch it back to time in force extended because it's still in pre-market technically. So now I know what to do in that situation. MRIN. Watching 58 here. We need to break. And at 58, watching break up 60. Adding at 59, watching break a 60 here. Watching break at 59. I know I'm sizing up here, but I really think this has a chance at 59, 60. 57 on the ask. $57 did thin out a little bit. Out of 55. Took looks like AM's back. Resumed flat, pushed up 10 cents, came back down. Looks like it might halt down then. Or unless, no, it's going. Oh shoot, that's the halt level. Why is the halt level so close now? Okay. We'll take it. Um, three. And at 56 here on MRN. Need to see the sellers at 57 go away. Riding at 57 as it breaks, watching 58, 59. Watching 59. Come on. Stay up there. 58. Nah, it's failing. Out at 56.6, 56.20. CLRO, possibly. 47's the high. Watching break of 47, 48. Watching 48, 49. Order at 49 to sell half. There we go, watching 50. Watching 50, can we get a break of 50? There's 51, 52. Out the rest of 52. Very nice. Good, good, good. Back in, watching 53, 54, 55. Out at 54. Now watching 55, sellers at 55. Can we get the break? In there at 55. Watching the break at 55. 56, 57. It's topping out. I'm going to get out flat. Wait for a pullback. Let's hope it stays above 50. If it stays above 50, we can look for a push to 60. Okay, watching micro pullback here. Watching 55, 56, and 55. Watching break up 56, 7, 8. Out at 8, watching break of 60. In at 59, watch break at 60. Sellers at 60, out at 59 flat. Watching break at 60, there's 63, out at 62.50. At 63, watch 64, 65, there's 68, out at 65. I'm watching resumption here, 10 seconds on AMAM. We'll probably sell this pretty much right away. Last time it resumed flat, so I'm actually kind of worried about this resumption. Waiting. Are we gonna get the resumption here? Nope. Out there at 32, 33. Watching 40 break. Break of 40. In there for the break of 50. Halt up is at 50. There, it's locked in. Watching CLRO for the break of 80. There's 85. Out there, 85. Watching back in. Watching break of 90. There's 88. Sellers at 88. Out at 87.50. Watching break of 88 and back in. Watching break of 90. This looks like it could halt up. Looks like 88 the halt up. See if the halt level moves up. Okay, it's getting halted, it's getting locked in. There we go. Very nice move on CLRO as well. Look at that. Okay, I was managed to capitalize on both at the same time. Hello, hello, Ganask. Good morning. You are rocking? Yeah. I wasn't able to capitalize yesterday because I got too emotional, so I came in today knowing that we'd probably get some momentum, and I wanted to make sure I sized small at the beginning so I didn't go red early on, and that way I could be able to size up for when stuff actually starts heating up. MRIN is moving. Broke 60 there, up to 63. This one's a bit trickier though, but volume's coming in. Pivot is at 67 pre-market. Pivot is at 67. Okay, here, watching 65. Sellers at 65. We get the break, it should go up to 67. Watching break at 65 here. Okay, can we get 65 on the ask? Punching it, 64. Watching 65, there's 66, 67. Can we get break of 67 here? Break of pre-market pivot. There's 68, watching break up to 70. There's 74, out at 76, or 69. Now watching break of 75. There's 73, watching break of 75 in. Is it topping out here? There's 74, it's topping out. Out for a small loss, one penny loss. Okay. Give it some time. As long as it holds the previous breakout at 65 here. Okay, when's the resumption on these? 10:19. Okay, that's when I have to watch. So watching the time as well. Looking for a mini dip here to 65. Mini dip here, 67. 66. Let's see. Tried to get a dip there at 66, no fill. Yep, in there at 66, watching break a 70. Looking for an add at 70 actually. Okay, 69 by 68. Watching break a 70 here. Added at 70. Looking for a quick take profit. Taking some off at 71. There's 72. Can we get through 72? High at 75. Okay, a seller there is holding up a little bit. Buyer at 70. If the buyer at 70 goes, we'll go as well. Out at 70, 69. Okay, 1 minute, 30 seconds to go on these resumptions. 1 second here. Alright, so watching the resumption here. First one to resume is AM. Watching this 7 seconds to resumption. 250. Okay. Resumed a little bit late last time. There we go. Out at 52. I don't like the flat resumption. Okay, so there it goes. Halting up. I didn't like the flat resumption, so I took it off. CLRO, we can watch CLRO for 12 seconds to resumption. 188. Oh, look at that resumption. Added at 73 to average into the trade. Cutting it. Okay, that was a bad one. Bad resumption. What is that resumption? Okay. Jeez Louise. In there for break of 80. Can we get break of 80? It's 82. Can I get break of 80? Nah, gonna cut it. It's trying to stay up there. 85. No, I'll give it a shot at 85. Okay, seller at 87. Watching 88 break. Now I have to cut it. 74 out. So this one, that's really unfortunate. We gave back like 30 something bucks on that. Because of the, like, that's so bad. I had to sell the initial thing at, where was it? Yeah, 68, 69. I was in at 88 and 75, 74. Very, very bad trade. We also have PHVS moving up. This one's a little bit tricky though, it's a little bit hard to trust. Watching break at 1010. 1010, 1020. Out at 1027 there. Wait, what? Did I lose money on that trade? No, I didn't. Okay. I was down $8. And now I'm only down. Okay. We see break of 88 high day here. There's 94. Okay. We got 95 there. In there at 92. Can we get back over 90? Nope. Out at 82. So this one's no longer trustable. It's not, I can't trust this one anymore. CLRO, we can only buy dips now. Watching PHVS back into the 50s, 1050. In at 1018. Can we get that break at 1050? Big buyer there at 20. Looking to add because of that buyer. Adding at 36. Can we get that break of 50 here? It's looking like a good candle for the break. Just need a little bit more volume. There's 35 on the ask. 37, 40, 45. Can we get that break of 50? 44, 45. Took some off at 38 to play it safe. There's 45. Adding here at 44 or 40. Watching this for the break of 50 here. 33 on the ask. There's a buyer at 20. Watching the buyer at 20. It's cutting. Okay, so this one I'm not able to trade very well either. Okay, AMAM resumption. And at 93. Nope. Okay, I'm just giving back money at this point. Okay, it's halting down now. Oh no. Oh no, no, no. Come on, get me out, get me out, get me out, get me out. Get me out. Get me out. No, fuck. Fuck. Only reason I punched it on that kind of downtrend and that looking like it was down halting, only reason I punched it was we saw it pause at 67 and then all of a sudden there was no orders at 67. So I thought false break, I thought false halt down, pop back up. So I punched it at 67 and then all the selling just came right back in. That sucks. This is gonna be a bad halt. You know what? I gotta think glass half full. If it resumes at 650, I take it off right away. $17 loss. I'm still up 33 on the day, 43, which is still a great day. Glass half full. Okay. Glass half full. SMMT's halted. I really don't like that I gave back so much, but it was somewhat out of my control on the initial loss here on CLRO. Having it resume 12 cents lower, it's pretty insane. And at 82 on CLRO. Adding back at 81. And get over 82. There's 82, 83, 84. Seller at 84, but I think we can get through it. '81, '82. Have to cut it there. Damn. Okay, watching this resumption. I don't like that I'm still in, but I can't change that. Yeah, I gave back a lot of profit. I'm not happy about that. Um, I'm trying to be positive about it though. I gave it back the profit right here on CLRO. I was up like 30 something. Yeah, all the profit I gave back was on CLRO. I was up 30 something on it, 37. Now I'm down 16 on it. All because of this halt down right here, or like false halt down. Gave back like 30 right there, or 20. And then on this pump right here, gave back another 15 or something like that. And then here, just gave back another 10 right here. I need to pretty much sell AM right away. 67 is where we're in. 10 seconds to resumption. Hand is on the flatten button. Watching this resumption. Out at 51. There it goes. I'd be up right now actually if I held on to it. Good night, Gnask. Watching break of 4 on SMMT. Break of 410. It's pausing. Can we get the break of 410 here? Cutting it. Nope. It's not going. Watching break of 80 on MRIN. 79. 77. Buyer stepping in at 75. Added back at 76. Cutting at 75. Not holding. Where's AM resumption? 35.54. And get over 83 here on CLRO. 85, out of 85, back in 82. Watching 85. Watching 84, 85. Watch those sellers at 85. Cutting it pretty break even. Watching 85 here. And at 84. There it resumes. Look at that resumption. Maybe we get some sympathy momentum on CLRO because of AMAM. Watching that break of 90. At 81 average. Gotta cut it. Think I'm down trading CLRO. I've given back all my profit on CLRO. It's very sad, very unfortunate. I don't know why I'm not stopping. Only reason I'm not stopping, I guess, is because there's momentum, but I'm obviously very negative right now in terms of where I was and where I am now. God, today was such a good day. I had it too. I had the profit. Had it. Gave it back. Look at that gap from 275 to 320. God. At 55 on Carvana. Needs to get back over 60 right away. Needs to get back over 60. If it doesn't get back over 60, we have to cut it. Cut it at 56. And at 80 out of 82. think MRIN is the next candidate for alt. Watching 85. And at 83. Other at 80. Okay, 15 seconds to resumption. Out at 71. I wonder if I should be holding this stuff. Like, if I just held my 60 shares there, I'd still be in. I'd be up even more. I mean, it just keeps on going up. It's up 800% on the day. And I'm only up 38. God, I really botched today. Today could have been $150. I really botched it. Watching 95 on CLRO. Sellers at 91. On smaller size now on CLRO. Buying the dip there at 78. It's going lower. It's going way lower. Way lower. I'm done with that one. I keep on saying I'm done with that one, and I keep on coming back. So I'm gonna go done. I'm gonna take it off of the other screen as well. God. So bad. Yeah, I'm still trading Zolin. I don't. Okay, okay. I want $20. It's technically my daily goal. Do I stop here because I'm starting to get a little. Da, 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 da. This looks good for a breakover 580 on the next 5-minute candle at 45. I should be holding these. Setup no longer looks good on CLVN or CVNN. Candle ended at the topping wick. Maybe a dip trade. 45, 42, 42. Looks like it's halting actually down here at 539. Wow. 'Resumption here on AV AMAM. 420. Halting down. That might be the top of it. Oh, it's actually halting. Damn. You know, um you rarely see sub-dollar stocks halt. Okay, resumption here on... Oh, sorry, you guys have been seeing this the whole time. Yeah, my bad. Yeah, there you go. That's how much I'm up on the day. Okay, so the hold downs have been resuming flat on AM, but I doubt it's gonna resume flat here. About 30 seconds, 20 seconds to resumption. 10 seconds to resumption. I doubt it resumes flat, but if it does, it could be making the same pattern as before, the last two halt downs. Resumed flat, halting down. Okay, looks like a halt down. It's locking in. Okay, watching resumption, 7 seconds on hills. Resumed at 96. 96. There's 88. 95. Adding at 95. Oh, whoops. Yeah, I botched that. Back in 95, watching 97, and break of $1. There's... Okay, okay. Okay there. That fill was terrible. That fill was so bad. Watching 106. One. 94. Cut it at 90. I'm gonna cut the day there. I'm gonna cut the day there. This is so bad. I'm gonna go ahead and import these trades while I'm still live. I want to show you guys this profit chart. It's so bad. Today was a great day. It was a great day of trading. So much stuff moving. But I did not trade great. First half of the day I traded amazing. Second half of the day I traded like a half. Completely bad. 3 red days this week too. It's so bad. Look at this chart. Look at this chart. Look at it. Up and down. So bad. Stupid. Alright, I'm gonna call it here today. I'm up 20, or down. I'm down 24. Third red day of the week. It's been a bad week. On the week, we are down $10 on the week. Okay, so it's not that bad of a week because we managed risk on all the other days, but actually, having 3 red days and only being down $10, it's pretty good. However, this did not need to happen. I could have been up 100. It's really bad. Um, I just, I don't know what else to say. It's a really crappy way to go into the weekend. And I guess I have some studying to do. If we're gonna have some hot momentum, I need to be able to capitalize on it. And so, this is my week this week. And yeah. Alright, I'll see you guys next week. Monday. Alright. Hope you guys had a great day trading, unlike me, and peace out. Have a great weekend.